Hey guys, my name is Zach.
And my name is Sarah.
We're teachers here at the Randall Museum telling you how our field trips have gone virtual. With 8 different field trips now just a click away.
So today we're talking all about creepy crawlies.
So today, we are talking about predator versus prey.
We are going to be talking all about reptiles. Students at home or in school can learn all about why animals live where they do, who eats whom, all about birds, and actually how insects can make our world a better place to live. Our field trip slots are available for Monday and Tuesday mornings, and each program includes a hands-on science and art activity for students to complete on their own.
So when you're on a field trip with the Randall Museum, just remember there are 2 rules that you have to follow.
The first rule is, you have to have fun. Second rule is, I want you guys to tell me any stories you have about animals. If you have any questions, I want you guys to ask away.
We hope to see you in one of our virtual field trips, and you never know which animal you might get to meet.